Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at interesting variation of Ford Granada Mark II Estate in Chasseur trim by IXO. Real-scale Ford Granada Mark II was produced from 1977 up to 1985. Granada is a well-equipped executive Ford model that in nowadays is a true classic that is highly valued, especially in top trims. In this case, we have a Chasseur limited edition that was produced in 1980 due to Olympic Games. Only 500 examples were made. Now it's a very rare car. For our luck, model is fixed with Phillips screws. This is very high detailed and beautiful model. Let's just enjoy it. Roof rack and tow bar on this model looks adorable. Here we go. A very beautiful scaled down representation of unique car, that is a great addition to any collection. My personal opinion is that it's the best looking variation of Ford Granada Estate Mark II in 1/43 scale. Hope that you liked this video. Write in comments what kind of Granada models you have in your collection.